In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a system. Now, just quickly, systems are very important because what it does is creates consistency across your team. It's a great opportunity to show your team or a new team member how you do things and why you do those things. And secondly, if you're away and someone outside your department who doesn't know how to run a certain part of your day-to-day needs to, then you can simply direct them to one or many systems so that they understand where to go to do things, and it'll have less impact on the business firstly, but then less impact on you. So when you come back from your holiday or leave, you know that things are going to be done correctly. So first steps are, if you do not know how to create a page in the internet, then go right ahead to the other system on how to create a Google Sites page. Secondly, if you don't know how to record your computer, which will be important to show how you do certain things, then go to how to record your computer screen system first. Now, assuming you've already done that, what I want to do is quickly show you what the finished product looks like once you're done. These systems usually take 2 to 10 minutes once you know what you're doing. So it's not time consuming, but the amount of time you'll save by doing this once will be absolutely phenomenal and definitely well worth it. So I highly suggest you do as many of these as you can to make your life easier in the future. So just the quick summary, this here will be created automatically once you actually create your page. Secondly will be the summary. The summary is just a quick explanation on what this system is. Thirdly, we'll be recording your video, which we're doing right now, and I'll show you how to, where to go and the steps to do that in a second. And then lastly, what you'll need to do is watch your, the first option will be to watch your video and then write down the steps. Alternatively, what you can do is map out your steps first, and then it'll help you identify step by step, because if you're doing something on a day-to-day basis, you're not consciously thinking of what to do next. So it may be good to do that step first. And once you're finished with those steps, then that's really it. The system's complete, and then you hit publish. And if you wanted to direct it to someone straight away, what you could do is share it with others. So you could click on here, and you could simply type in that the email address to invite that person to that step. And that's really it. So number one is summary, which I've just gone through. So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the insert button on the top right of your browser, hit text box. Now that that's done, your next step will be to either map out your steps or start the video. So if you want to learn how to create a video, there's also a system on how to do that. Now, assuming that we've already done that, as we've mentioned before, what you need to do is go back to insert, go scroll down to Google Embeds, click YouTube, which is where we store our videos once we download them from Loom. This is one I've just prepared earlier for the example. Click on the video, hit select, and that's it. It's done. The next step will be to add another text box for your steps. Okay, I've just filled in the steps, and that's it. Hit publish. And you're done. Now, I'm obviously going to change that once I finish this video, but for the example, that's exactly how to create a system.